Okay, buddy boy, here it is. You hide my clothes, I'm wearing everything you own.
Oh, my God!
Look at me. I'm Chandler. Could I be wearing any more clothes? Maybe if I wasn't going Commando.
Go commando. To not wear any underwear. Examples.
Wow. You look... Wow.
And I still have about 5 seconds to spare.
So we're a little late.
Oh, and by the way.
What?
I'm going commando, too.
Oh.
What are my keys doing on the floor? Did my pants just rip?
Yeah, you might want to go up and change.
Wow. Thank God I wasn't going commando.
Mrs. McCluskey? Mrs. McCluskey?
I'm right here. Keep your shirt on.
I need another pill. And please tell the kids to turn down the TV.
Keep your shirt on. Used to tell someone to calm down or be more patient. Examples.
I'm Kurt Loder. This is MTV News. FDA Commissioner David Kessler says...
Since when do we get MTV?
Since I got cable.
What do you mean, you got cable?
I called up the cable company. I said, hello, I'd like cable. And they put in cable.
I'm not paying for that.
Keep your shirt on. I paid for it.
Is that so?
Yeah, with money I saved from my job.
Go to a spa or go shopping and find a way to relax.
Gabrielle
We'll get here as fast as you can.
found herself a playmate. Lynette couldn't get her kids to stop playing.
Ma'am, you know why I pulled you over?
I have a theory.
Soon I'll be forced to move back upstairs out of sheer exhaustion.
And Bree played hardball. Everyone has a little dirty laundry.
Dirty laundry. Unpleasant secrets, very private, personal matters, especially that which may be embarrassing. To air someone's dirty laundry. To reveal unkind or damaging facts about someone. Examples.
Well, are you not going around saying that my husband hit on you?
I know you're under a terrible strain, but do you really think it's a good idea to air your dirty laundry in front of all these people?
You're the one with dirty laundry. My laundry is clean, folded, and put away, you loon.
Why don't you think I can find a woman for myself?
Because you're 27 and the closest thing we have to a daughter-in-law is that Jewish boy Howard.
Oh, that is completely below the belt. Sheldon, tell my parents that Howard and I are just friends. Sheldon?
Below the belt. Something very insulting and unfair. To hit below the belt. Unfairly targeted at one's weakness or vulnerability. Examples.
What is it?
It's a cardboard baby.
See? Now we can relax because we have one.
Oh dear. It's supposed to be funny. I thought we'd have a chuckle.
Don't talk to me. To Charlotte, it was definitely hitting below the belt.
Well, I've uncovered the fact that Blair's wedding dress fits like a glove. You know, I think the only person she's seen covertly is Vera Wang.
Fit like a glove. To be the perfect size, shape, and well-suited. To be in conformity with. Examples.
Oh, yeah. This is where he breaks it before he rides it.
It's like a glove.
Okay, that's it.
I like it.
Now, let's find you something fun to do here, shall we?
Oh, I've already found it. I am manager. A natural next step. It fits like a glove.
We have a manager.
I know what you're thinking. What's Barney been drinking? That girl was smoking hot. Yes, I could have nailed her, but no, it's not a failure, because there's one thing she is not. To score a 10 would be just fine, but I'd rather be dressed to the nines. It's a truth you can't refute. Nothing suits me like a suit.
Dress to the nines. Dress to kill. To be wearing fashionable or formal clothes for a special occasion. Wearing very fancy or attractive clothes that attract attention. Examples.
Anyone who says they don't care about prom actually secretly does.
Who's gonna take the prom? There's no one's going to prom with us.
Come on, picture it. You pull up in a white stallion of a limo. You got fine-ass honeys with you. You dress to the nines with your best buds. Dubs fly out behind you. Slow motion.
Dubs.
Because dubs make you look like a badass, that's why.
You know what? I'm coming over right now to explain.
No way, I've been manipulated by that sentence before.
Forget the jeans. I need a dress for tonight.
Looks like someone's getting dressed to kill. Or at least for a hell of a fight.
Okay, Sheldon, I am out of options. Video store owner Nurses Manukian has no next of kin.
Well, you seem hot under the collar. Or is that the sweater?
Hot under the collar. To be embarrassed or angry about something.
Have to say, you do look good in that suit.
Oh, thank you.
Maybe later I'll get to see you in your birthday suit.
This is my birthday suit.
In your birthday suit. Not wearing any clothes.
Guys, wake up, up, come on.
What's going on?
Captain Holt, I know you've given up on your future, but I haven't. You're going to that interview.
It's too late, Peralta.
Just put a sock in it, man. I'm doing this because of how much I care about you, so just stay the hell out of the way.
Put a sock in it. Used to tell someone to be quiet or stop making so much noise. Examples.
What's going on out here? What's all that white powder in the air? I'm trying to run a restaurant, not an 80s disco. Oh, put a sock in it. I'm buying one of your freaking overpriced puddings.
Maybe if I wasn't going Commando.
Keep your shirt on. I paid for it.
Looks like someone's getting dressed to kill.
A natural next step. It fits like a glove.
By the way,
What?
I'm going Commando too.
Well, you seem hot under the collar.